Okay na mga langga. This is our alimango or crab. Too much aliki guys. Alimango or crab. Yeah. This is our chicken with honey guys. And then I fry on the butter.